Welcome to the PediMate Plus training video. Ferno's pediatric restraint system is designed to safely secure children weighing between 10 and 100 pounds on approved stretchers. Before using the PediMate Plus in the field, ensure you are properly trained and familiar with these instructions. Your safety and your patient's safety come first. Only trained personnel should use the PediMate Plus. Always stay with the patient at all times. Secure all straps snugly. Loose straps may result in serious injury. The PediMate Plus is not an immobilization device and should never be used as one. Before installing the PediMate Plus, remove all stretcher restraints. Raise the stretcher backrest to attach the PediMate Plus to the stretcher and to suit the patient. Follow local protocols for positioning the patient. Unroll the PediMate Plus and lay it flat on the stretcher mattress with all straps extended. Center the PediMate Plus left to right, placing the base of the PediMate at the joint of the stretcher. The backrest strap should align with where the patient's shoulders will rest. Next, secure the PediMate Plus to the stretcher. Wrap the black and gray backrest straps around the stretcher backrest and buckle them, leaving some slack for adjustment. Position the backrest straps where the patient's chest will rest. Wrap it around the backrest and buckle it. Place the patient on the PediMate Plus and confirm the PediMate Plus is properly positioned. Tighten the backrest strap firmly so the mattress compresses. Thread each mainframe strap between the stretcher frame and mattress, then buckle. Be sure to leave a little slack for adjustments if needed. Next, tighten both mainframe straps by holding the buckle and pulling the free end firmly. Now it's time to secure the patient. First, secure the black chest strap to the stretcher. Then, place the shoulder straps over the patient's shoulders and arms, and thread the left shoulder strap through the chest clip and slide the clip to rest on top of the black chest strap. Now, secure the right and left shoulder straps to the crotch strap. Tighten each strap by pulling the torso and shoulder straps snug. Finally, adjust the crotch strap if needed for a secure fit. Do not over-tighten the chest strap. Always allow for normal breathing. To release the patient, loosen the crotch strap. Then, slide the chest clip downward and unthread the shoulder strap. Now, press the red release button on the central buckle to release the shoulder straps, and loosen and remove all remaining straps. Carefully lift the patient according to your local protocols. After use, detach the PediMate Plus and lay it flat on the stretcher. Buckle the shoulder straps into the central buckle. Neatly fold the backrest and crotch straps. Then, roll the PediMate Plus from the crotch panel upward and secure the roll with the built-in hook and loop straps. This ensures the PediMate Plus is ready for quick deployment the next time it's needed. The PediMate Plus provides safe, reliable transport for pediatric patients when installed and used correctly. Always inspect your equipment, follow these procedures, and never leave the patient unattended. For additional training resources, visit ferno.com.